How to increase credit balance on Temu for free. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app and make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. At the bottom, you're gonna see several options. Tap on the Use section. Then go to Credit Balance option and click on it. Let's clarify what a credit balance is on Temu. It's essentially your reward pot. The more active you are, the more you earn. So how can you start building this balance? Let's find out. Click on the eye icon in the top right corner. Here you will find ways to boost your credit balance. Make regular purchases. Even small buys add up. Leave product reviews. Be honest and detailed. Temu rewards helpful feedback, promotions or challenges. These often come with extra credit rewards. But don't stop there. Always check the information icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen. It's full on tips on managing your credit balance, including how to spend it wisely and even withdraw it as a cash. That's how you can increase your credit balance on Temu for free. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.